My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, you guys, we got a different view here. Yeah. And look who's here. Oh, wow. So, I know, sit down.
Okay, room. Well, now I can't see the camera. Oh, there we go. Okay.
I think that the last update we gave you, we were, I think 48 hours after surgery.
I have no idea.
Yeah.
Well, this one.
Anyway, yesterday, Saturday, it's been 2 weeks since surgery, and Friday, so two days ago, she's checking out good angiogram, good CT scan. They got the drain out of her head. She's growing her hair back here now.
So goodbye ICU.
Yes.
And Barrows cannot be a better place.
That is wonderful people, wonderful
Staff is just really super there, and yeah, just right there for you, and very supportive and helpful, and yeah, nothing is too much.
wonderful, attentive nurses.
Definitely.
But anyway, I think look at how she's 2 weeks. Remember guys how she could only lift her hand just a little bit.
Yep. I can't keep it up, so not much control of it.
It's getting better every day though. Every day I come in, she's showing me improvement. I mean, she's standing up, she's sitting up, but it exhausts her. But she's regaining her strength. So yeah, this is Sunday, so there's no physical therapy today.
Got the Encompass Health physical therapy. We got what'd you get, about 4 or 5 names they gave you over at ICU?
Yeah, for rehab centers. Yep.
Yeah, and then Jay just researched like 3 of them and reviewed, toured a couple of them.
Went and toured 3 of them, and then looked at reviews online, and so we picked this one, Encompass Health, in Glendale. So
it's just closer to everyone. It has a big window here, so it's nice to be able to look out and see the window. I guess it can take like 60 something odd people, and it's only half full, so I basically have a room to myself, which is nice. But the food's not as good as the ICU at Barrows, I'll tell you that much.
So her friend Kim brought her Ray's pizza last night, so she got to feast on a little pizza
and a little midnight munchie on pizza too, so that was really yummy. I've had the black olive remnants all over my bed and floor.
So yeah, guys, we're gonna get back on the road. We got to do this first though. So yeah, the video's gonna change a little bit. Maybe I'll show you some other things around Phoenix, and we'll do updates with Lisa every week, you guys. So we love you guys. Appreciate the support and hanging with us. Please share this with like-minded people, or somebody that might have went through this or is going through this right now. Brain aneurysm. So we love you guys. We'll see you in the next update.
Yep, see you later.
Hey you guys, just checking in again, little update here, and look at this. Careful. All right, see, standing up.
Can't walk on my own, but I can stand up.
With a walker you have in though, right?
Yeah. And they let me. Otherwise, it's a wheelchair.
Yeah. We got huge progress here. we've been in rehab a week now, and she's due to be discharged next week. So, yeah, she gets to come home. Show 'em what you can. If you guys remember earlier, she could hardly move her right arm and hand.
So the right can go up and grip things. I don't have a tight grip, but I do have a grip on things now with my right hand. I can grab certain things. Don't have 100% control of it like I do with my left hand, but it's there. It's getting there.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I actually tied a bow and a shoe, so that was an accomplishment. I got that done, and I did these little pegs and holes that I could not do when I first got here, but I was able to do yesterday in therapy. So that was a pretty big accomplishment.
And your hair's growing back too.
Slowly, a mess that it is, but yeah, it's growing.
Yeah. All right, you guys. We appreciate the love and the prayers and support that we're getting, and we would appreciate continued prayers for comfort for Lisa. She's kind of sore laying in bed here, and for a full recovery, which we believe is going to happen. So, and we're gonna get back doing some exploring too. Okay, we'll see you in the next update.
See you guys later. Bye.
Okay, you guys, this is Lisa practicing going up steps here. We're actually going home tomorrow.
Be the right leg off.
Yes. Good, and you can do 2 hands on that rail.
Okay, straight.
Very good. And still making sure that right leg is nice and strong before you complete on it. Beautifully done.
All right. Do we have about 3 steps?
Yeah.
At home?
Yep.
And the 4th step goes into the house, doesn't it?
Yes, 3 and 4 going. Yeah, so just like this, really.
Okay, and then we'll probably have the other little riser right below to make it closer.
It's close enough.
Over there is close enough?
Yeah. We can put it there if you want, but.
Yeah.
Okay, so watch for more updates.
Okay, easy enough.
Okay, you guys, we're going home.
Yay, we're going home.
Yay. Still got a lot of work to do, though. She's doing good.
Yeah, Jay would still have to help me out a lot, but at least I'm out of here. Sit in my own comfortable chair in my own comfortable bed.
Okay, we'll see you at home. Okay, guys, we're home. We are home. This is Thursday, and you just saw us on Tuesday when they were releasing her. So she's been here 2 nights. Had 2 good nights. Two good. She slept good both nights. Last night, like a rock. I had to touch her a couple of times to make sure she was still breathing. But anyway, yeah, we're still going to be kicking. We're going to get a video out every week. You know, hopefully showing some interesting stuff. If there's anything in or around Phoenix that any of you would like to see, we'll go film it. Lisa might stay in the truck. She might get out with the walker. She's doing really good with the walker. So, and we'll give you occasional updates on her progress too. It is utterly amazing how fast the human body, the brain can heal itself. Utterly amazing. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. We'll plan on seeing you next week. Not sure what we're going to be doing, but we're going to go explore something. So truly appreciated the prayers and support. Overwhelming. And we ask for more too, for her recovery. So hey, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you can see when we kick out a video, which is typically every Saturday morning. But share this with like-minded people, and Yeah, we love each and every one of you. God bless. We'll see you next week.